Students, how are you? Today I will give you some information about landform. That basically what are landform, what are definition of landforms. Landforms are physical or natural features found on Earth's surface. Means the features which we can see on the Earth's surface are considered as landform, which are naturally made by God. These are some of the different kinds of landform which you can see on the screen. Now we will discuss about the island. That what is island? Island is a piece of land. It is situated in the center of the water, which is surrounded by water. This is a small piece of land in the middle of the ocean and all over surrounded by the water. Now next is lake. Lake is the area of water. Lake is the area of water which is surrounded by land. One more landform it is that is bay. Bay is also a body of water surrounded by water from three sides. Cliff is a very steep, sharp rock by the seashore. It is situated near the seashore. Next is waterfall. The water which is falling from a great height is considered as waterfall. Now mountain. What are mountains? Mountains are the steep mass of rock that rises above the land. It generally has a peak. Uh, Sometime it is pointed and sometime it is jagged. And mountains are formed by the slow movement of the earth. Now this is one of the kind of landform that is valley. Valley, the land area between foot of two mountains, means downward position of the mountains from one end of mountain to the another end of mountain. Now desert is a hot, sandy and dry place with very little water. There are three characteristics of desert, and that are hot, sandy and dry with very little waterfall in it. And it's a hill. Hill is another form of mountain. Mountain is very at high position. It's at a great height, but hill are on the smaller height. But we also consider this as definition that this is also a raised portion above the land, on the land. Now today we have also done activity on page number 16, that is true or false. Island is a piece of land surrounded by land. It is false. Water is the sudden fall of river stream from a great height. It is true. Cliff is a huge mass of rock that rises above the land, and it is also a false statement because cliff is a steep faces of rock. Coast is a hot and sandy place with very little water. It is also false because coast is not hot, but desert is a hot and sandy place with very little rainfall. Valley is the land between mountains or hill. It is correct, means true. Now sixth one is lake is an area surrounded by water from all sides. It's not true. It's a false statement because lake is an area surrounded by land and water or body of water in the center. Desert is a large portion of flat land. No, desert is a sandy and hot place. So this statement also false. Next activity was the complete the names of landform. First is coast, COAST. Second is lake, LAKE. Third is island, ISLAND. Fourth is valley, VALLEY. Fifth is waterfall, WATERFALL fall. Sixth is desert, DESERT. Now the last one is mountain, MOUNTAIN. This is the whole explanation for today's class. Now complete these activities, and I have also sent you question answers on the group. So complete those question answers and send me pictures, images as soon as possible. Thank you so much, students.